Alright, welcome to day one of social studies. Today we'll be covering the French and Indian War. In your assignment for today, this is the introduction video. To start off with, the French and Indian War is a battle between two countries, Britain and France. Now, the British and French armies were at this time the global empires of the world. Alright, it's the 1600s, the 1700s. These two countries have the largest and most powerful armies, and they are dominating the world every time they have a battle against someone else. Now, these two countries clash often, and one of these fights takes place in the colonies where present day America is. So in the North American continent, the British and French were fighting over the Ohio River Valley. That's this orange and purple lined section of the map. All right, the French are the yellow territory, and the British are the purple. And this land in the middle, this Ohio River Valley, was land that both countries thought they should control. So they fought over it. And this war lasted a long time. When you read your article today, you'll actually get some more of the details and specifics about that battle. But the end result was this on the map. You can see that the French are almost completely gone from North America by the time this war is fought and over. So the result is the British control most of the land in North America now, and we'll see later on this week why that is so important and a big deal going forward.